Hello everybody. Today we're going to go ahead and install the one key lock so that it matches our motorcycle key into our 47-liter top case. It's a relatively simple process. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. And of course your one key system. If you have not set up a one key yet and don't know how, go ahead and go to my other video and see how to set one up. It's relatively easy. I think anybody can do it. So go ahead and do that and then come on back here and we can get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do to set this up, and I'm going to work on moving my camera here in a second. First, we're going to go ahead and undo this strip. The existing key in this thing, of course, is, well, it's pointless. So that's why we are installing our one key system. So we're going to go ahead and keep it unlocked for now. Okay, so you want to take your Phillips head screwdriver and undo these screws. There's 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's our old key. We don't need it. The lever pusher to unlatch it from your motorcycle fell off, so we're just going to put that in the case again, along with all of our screws. Okay, so in here is, of course, where your lock is, and you'll notice it's relatively easy. There's just 4 more screws that you need to take out. Okay. All right, so go ahead and take the 4 screws out. Okay, we didn't need to take all 4 screws out. You only need to take the 2 that come off the back piece. But this allows me to demonstrate this better. So you've got your one key and it has this tab on it that you're going to have to depress to feed through. Now, Kawasaki is kind of a genius here because they made it so that all you have to do, if you look in to this tumbler, you will see it's kind of threaded like a screw. And you're basically going to stick this in and turn it, which should depress that spring. And then you push it in. And once you're in, you're in. Let's pull the key out. It won't turn anymore. Simple. All right, let's go ahead and put this back in. This goes in like that, like this. You don't have to worry about if you got it backwards or not. There's a flat piece here. It'll only fit one way. We'll go ahead and put our collar or whatever this is on. And it goes onto the short posts. If you took it all the way out, that is. And this one. So as you know, we all make mistakes, and I made one that was almost a doozy. So there's a ball bearing in this thing. Luckily, I didn't lose the spring or anything, and I found the ball bearing. But be careful, because once it's out, it's actually pretty easy to lose it. Now we need to... Oh, okay. We have to... Because this... You'll notice there's an indentation in this lock. Okay, that's what locks and unlocks this. We need to turn this without losing the ball bearing to this other notch in my case. So go ahead, roll it over, ball bearing pops in, good to go. And then go ahead and stick it in so it matches with the key. Pop the 2 screws in so you don't lose that ball bearing. Okay. So now, when we stick the key in, our key matches up, our motorcycle key matches up perfectly, and we'll be flipping this around back and forth. Perfect. So I am going to go ahead and bring the top box back, and we are going to reinstall this. Now remember, this latch has to go in here. And let me just show. So this latch goes in here. And we have to get this. Well, we need to unlock this. Unlock turns it horizontal. That'll let you get this back in. And can I zoom out? Yep. You want to feed this up. Then come in here, okay? Then go ahead. I'm finding that if I put upward pressure from the bottom down, so over here, but at the bottom, lifting up, I can make the bottom button work. And that'll also help me with my alignment. Go ahead and put the 4 screws in. All right, so now, if it's locked, you shouldn't be able to push this button to release it. And you shouldn't be able to open the box. Then stick the key in, turn it. Perfect. That's all there is to putting the 1-key system into the top box. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will try and answer everyone's questions as soon as possible. If there's anything you would like to see, any tips, tricks, techniques, anything at all motorcycle related, please let me know. I do these videos for you, so anything that you would like to see, I am more than happy to do it. If you like this video, please click that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and click the bell to notify you whenever a new video drops. Thank you again. Ride safe and keep the rubber side down.